To turn on or off a sound effect when voiceover reads previous rotor in iPhone 14 Pro, go to Setting, scroll down to Screen, and then tap Accessibility, tap Voiceover, and then tap Audio, tap Sound and Haptic. Next, scroll down the screen, and then under Voiceover Feedback section, tap Previous rotor, and then tap the on-off switch next to sound to enable or disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is on and your phone will play a sound effect when voiceover reads the previous rotor. If needed, you can tap preview to listen how the sound will look like when it's enabled. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.